Welcome to Goodwood. The journey of the all-electric Rolls-Royce Spectre begins right here, reshaping luxury from a blank digital canvas.
We are in the foundry. The Spectre's proprietary aluminum space frame is being cast, engineered specifically to handle pure electric power.
This is the foundation. A specialized underfloor structure is shaped, designed to house the massive battery while acting as sound deadening. Precision is everything. Laser-guided robotic welding ensures the Spectre's chassis is the most rigid structure in Rolls-Royce history.
The iconic face evolves. The Spectre's polished Pantheon grille is assembled and fitted with individual soft LED backlighting.
Protection from the elements. The Spectre body undergoes an advanced cathodic electro-deposition bath for ultimate corrosion resistance.
To maintain the legendary Rolls-Royce silence, over 700 pounds of advanced acoustic insulation are meticulously layered inside.
Look at the scale of these lines. The Spectre's massive seamless side panels are mounted, ensuring flawless surface continuity.
The signature coach doors. These heavy-duty hinges are calibrated manually to support effortless electronic opening and closing.
The powerhouse takes shape. The massive 102 kilowatt-hour battery pack is built, engineered to double as structural reinforcement. Pure electric performance. The dual motor setup is bench assembled, preparing to deliver 584 horsepower of silent, effortless torque. The ultimate marriage. The Spectre body is permanently united with its massive electric powertrain and structural battery pack.
In the clean room, automated sprayers apply a flawless primer layer, creating the ultra-smooth foundation required for custom paint.
Bespoke artistry meets robotics. Multiple layers of custom metallic paint are applied to the Spectre for unmatched depth and luster. Engineering the magic carpet ride. The Spectre's complex planar suspension system is mounted to decoupling anti-roll bars. Massive road presence. The Spectre is fitted with colossal 23-inch aero-optimized wheels, complete with self-righting center caps.
No machines can replace human touch here. The Spectre is hand-polished for hours to achieve a perfectly flawless mirror finish.
Sealing out the world, ultra-thick acoustic safety glass is precisely installed to guarantee absolute serenity inside the Spectre cabin. Uncompromised luxury. The custom-tailored leather seats are fitted into the cabin, matching the Spectre's bold interior styling.
Even the icon is redesigned. The Spectre's spirit of ecstasy is sculpted lower and sleeker, spent through 830 hours of wind tunnel testing. The intelligence check. Every sensor, radar, and electric power delivery system is mapped and calibrated across miles of simulated data. Endurance tested. A high-pressure monsoon simulator verifies that the Spectre cabin remains a dry, impenetrable luxury sanctuary.
From a masterpiece of engineering to the open road, the Rolls-Royce Spectre has arrived, the ultimate expression of silent, electric luxury.